My introduction to photometric reports really was overwhelming at the time, and at the beginning I didn't see the need for it. After all, I had years and years of experience of actually being in the field at night, doing nighttime adjustments, doing nighttime demonstrations, so I understood what the light fixture was going to do in different applications. And I wasn't sure of the usefulness of this when I first started off back in 2013 and 14. It really took me taking the LC course, lighting certified by the NCQLP. It was a very tough course. 6 months of evening classroom time, 3 hours a night, twice a week, and a final test of 180 questions that took over 4 hours and took me a time or two to pass it. That opened my eyes to understanding there's a scientific definition to what light does. There is a standard unit that is used to measure light. So often I would go to a course at ILI and I would hear other lighting designers say, I wish there were standardization in lighting. I wish that a lumen always meant a lumen and a foot candle always meant a foot candle. And they weren't using all the terms, many of the designers, properly. And so there was a standardization, but most manufacturers avoided it. Most manufacturers really don't want you to see the light quality that they have. They want to focus on the other attributes, such as communication, which is not as important. So if you're looking to dive deep, the book that I had is about 1,200 pages on lighting design, and it really goes through the terminology and the usefulness of it. Just to get an idea of the depths you could go to in understanding light, light output, light measurement, and the terminology, this was our handbook for the LC course. Understanding everything in this book. Lighting is lighting, whether it's interior lighting, stage lighting, stadium lighting, or landscape lighting. Light measurements, light terminology is all the same. And so understanding how we actually measure light, how light performs, the terminology used, whether it's illumination, illumination, flux, candela, there's so much terminology to understand, and each one of are important. Having a standardized measurement is so important to get the consistent light quality from one project to the next, from one luminaire to the next, and Sterling Lighting truly leads the industry in light quality.